Asus hasn't given any exact release dates for its new handsets yet, but it has said that the Zenfone 5Z will be available in the UK later this year from £500, around $700/885 Australian dollars. The Asus Zenfone 5 meanwhile will be available in the UK from early Q3, so probably July or August, but no price details have yet been provided. So far we don't have any details on the Zenfone 5 Lite's price or release date, or information about any of them for the US or Australia, but we'll update this article when we learn more. Asus Zenfone 5 Design and Screen. The Asus Zenfone 5Z and Asus Zenfone 5 both have glass-covered bodies, with a shimmery design in midnight blue or meteor silver. The screen has tiny bezels and an iPhone X-like notch at the top, allowing for a 90% screen-to-body ratio. That's allowed the company to stick a 6.2-inch screen in a shell that's apparently the size of a typical 5.5-inch phone. Both phones also come in at 155 grams and have a super widescreen 19:9 aspect ratio and a full HD+ resolution. Their screens are IPS LCD and should work through gloves. The two phones can also automatically alter their color temperature based on the ambient lighting. The Zenfone 5 Lite meanwhile has a 6-inch Full HD+ IPS screen with an 18:9 aspect ratio, and it too has slim bezels and is supposedly the size of a typical 5.5-inch handset.